Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In the last video, we had discussed about projection of points. If you haven't watched the video, I have linked the video above. Do check it out. Today we will discuss projection of lines. So let's get started.
So the question is, draw the projection of a 60 mm long straight line in the following positions. So let us see the first position, that is A. Now here what is given, it is parallel to and 30 mm above the HP and in the VP. So suppose this is our plane, this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane, and this is our 60 mm long line. So what is given? The line is parallel to and 30 mm above the HP. This is our HP और HP के ऊपर है कितना? 30 mm ऊपर है HP का. And in the VP, that means VP के साथ है. So this is the position of the line. So इसको हम लोग बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? First of all, when you draw the front view, तो front view कहां से आएगा? From this side, यहां से हम लोग देखेंगे, and the line is here. This distance is given to be 30 mm above the HP. तो इसको हम लोग बना लेंगे. पहले हम लोग बनाएंगे the XY line. This is our XY line. फिर XY line को बनाने के बाद this is 30 mm above the HP. So 30 mm पे हम लोग मार्क कर लेंगे. This is one point. This is another point. So 30 mm at mark kori lolu. Now we can draw the line. So this is given to be 60 mm long line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our line A dash B dash. This is the front view. So ekhane amar A dash B dash hole. Now we draw the projection line here. This is also the projection line. And जो हम लोग का टॉप व्यू है वो कहां पे आएगा? This was the position of the line. जेटा আমি टॉप व्यू ऊपर ऊपर साम. Then this line is projected where? In the XY line. So XY আমি যোনটো পালো from the projection line, this will be our final top view. So this is A and this is B. Now let us give the dimension of this figure. This is one dimension. This will be the other dimension. So this is given 30 and the actual length of the line is given to be 60. So finally what we can do, we will dark this line. This is our final front view and this is our final front view and this is our final top view. So whenever you draw these line, this line should be drawn using 2B pencil. This is to be drawn using 6B pencil, and for all the projection lines use 2H pencil. For drawing the dimension lines and all use 4H pencil. Now let us see the second position. This is perpendicular to the HP, 20 mm in front of the VP and its one end 15 mm above the HP. Now let us see the position. This is our position point B. Now see, perpendicular to the HP. HP के साथ perpendicular है. It is like this, perpendicular to the HP, and 20 mm in front of the VP. VP से 20 mm दूर पे है. This is 20 mm in front of the VP, and its one end, जो नीचे का जो end है, that end is 15 mm above the HP. So it is like this. H on the taller end, this end is 15 mm above the HP. Now first of all, let us try to draw the front view of this figure. So front view will be projected in the vertical plane, and the last point or the bottom end is at the distance of 15 mm above the HP. So let us see how to draw this. First of all, we will draw this XY line over here. This is the XY line, and then at a distance of 15 mm. So first of all, we will mark this 15 mm point here. This is our 15 mm, and then the total length of the line is given to be 60. So let us draw this 60. This is our point A dash. This is our point B dash. Now let us give the dimension of this part. Then here it is given to be 15, and the total length of the line is 60. Now see the top view. It is like this. Top view is what we are only viewing this point. Okol amar uporo point to ami dekha pai asu, talar point to dekha poa nai. So this point will be projected where? In the horizontal plane. A distance to kiman dia ase? This distance is given to be 20 mm in front of the VP. So your top view will be what? Your top view will only be a point. And kuntu point dekha pai asu? If this is your point A, see, we have marked here A point at the top. So here also you will be having A point here, B point here. Now in some of the books you may find the point here that will be drawn from the top view, A point to the mar, both the letters are given, that is A and B both are given, but in some cases you can only give that point which is visible to you. So ami kuntu dekha pai asu, we are only viewing this A point. So let us draw this A point at a distance of 20 mm. So yeah, Prahil, this is your point, this is point A, and let us give the dimension of this line. So this is your 20. Now let us darken this line. We have only a point for the top view, and front view will be a line. So this is the solution for the second question. Now let us see the third problem. This is C. So what is given here? The line is inclined at 45 degree to the vertical plane. The line is in the HP and its one end in the VP. So while solving these type of problems, these problems are the lines inclined to one plane. Jeta line inclined to one plane hoi thake, so first we will assume that the line is parallel to both the plane. Line to আমি assume করিলাম কি parallel হৈ আছে in both the plane অলয়. So এইটো positionত first of all we'll try to draw the top view and the front view of this. Now let us see here in this problem what is given. Inclined at 45 degree to the VP. VP লগত incline হৈ আছে line ডাল and in the HP. So HP আছে. This is what is given. This is the position. The line is in the HP and this line is inclined at 45 degree to the VP. So that part we will draw later. First of all, we will try to draw the line which is parallel to VP and it is in the horizontal plane. So your front view will be what? Your front view will be projected where? In the XY line. So first of all, let us draw this part. So this is the XY line we have. This is our XY line and your front view is in the XY line. So this is 60. Let us mark this point A dash. This is B dash. Now let us see. Come to this point. This was the position of the line when the line is parallel to VP and the line is in the HP. Now we are inclining the line to vertical plane. Vertical plane লগত incline কৰি দি দিছো. Condition কি দিয়া আছে? One end in the VP. এটা end VP লগত লাগি থাকিব লাগিব. So this is the end which is touching the VP. Now when we draw the top view of this, ইয়াৰে যোনটো top view হ'ব কোনটো হ'ব? The top view will be this line and this top view will be projected where? Below the XY line. XY line or তলত যাব and this top view. This top view is what? It is the true length of this top view. So top view to karone ami ki korim? This is our point A. The B point to position ami nazanu. So what we can do? We will draw a 45 degree line here. This is 45 and we draw this 45 degree line. So this angle is given to be 45 degree. Now to find the B point, what we can do? We know that the top view which we have drawn, जो top view हम आकीसु, वो top view क्या होगा? ये top view हम लोग का true length है. तो actual length, true length means जो लाइन का एक्चुअल लेंथ है, ये हम लोग का रिड्यूस लेंथ नहीं है. रिड्यूस लेंथ कब आएगा? जब हम लोग यहां से इस लाइन का फ्रंट व्यू देखेंगे तब क्या होगा? ये हम लोग का रिड्यूस लेंथ आएगा तब. तो ट्रू लेंथ बनाने के लिए व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल फर्स्ट ड्रॉ दिस 45 डिग्री लाइन, देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर कॉम्पास टेक A as center and radius equal to 60, that is radius equal to A dash B dash, you draw an arc. So this arc will intersect the previous line at a point. So this point, I have marked this point to be B. So AB is what? This is the top view of the line. अभी फ्रंट व्यू जो होगा इस लाइन का, दैट मीन्स आफ्टर इंक्लिनेशन. पहले हम लोगों ने बनाया था क्या? द लाइन इज एज्यूम्ड टू बी पैरेलल टू VP. उसके लिए हम लोगों ने फ्रंट व्यू बना लिया. लेकिन ये फ्रंट व्यू जो है, दिस इज नॉट द फाइनल फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ द लाइन. फाइनल फ्रंट व्यू कौन सा होगा? इन दिस इंक्लाइन पोजीशन. सो इस इंक्लाइन पोजीशन से जो फ्रंट व्यू आएगा, दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ and that front view will be the final front view. उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फ्रॉम दैट बी पॉइंट वी विल ड्रॉ अ प्रोजेक्शन लाइन एंड दिस प्रोजेक्शन लाइन विल इंटरसेक्ट दिस previous front view at point B1 dash. So जो final top view हम लोग का है, that final top view will be what? This is AB, this is your final top view, और final front view कौन सा होगा? A2 whole हमारा final front view. So this A dash B1 dash is the final front view and AB is the final top view. यहां पे हम लोग we can draw the dimension line also, or we can write it as TL is equal to 60. So TL means this is the true length of the line, and true length TL is equal to 60. So ऐसे भी हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. We can either draw the dimension line or we can write directly TL is equal to 60. Okay, now come to the last problem. What is given? The line is inclined at 30 degree to the HP and it's 1 and 20 mm above it. Then it is also parallel to and 30 mm in front of the VP. अच्छा, तो पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, inclined at 30 degree to the HP. तो HP के साथ लाइन inclined है, तो पहले हम लोग assume करेंगे the line is parallel to both HP and VP. फिर we'll try to draw the top view and the front view of that. उसको हमको बनाने के लिए first of all we have to draw this XY line. So let us draw the XY line first. This is our XY line, and then what is given? The line its one end is 20 mm above it. एक end जो है हम लोग का वो 20 mm ऊपर है from the HP. So that means when we draw the front view, this distance will be equal to how much? 20 mm. So 20 mm हम लोग मार्क कर लेंगे वहां पे. This is your 20 mm and there will be somewhere 20 mm here. Now let us draw the 60 mm long line. One, two, three, four, five, six. So this is your 60 mm long line. This is A dash and this will be our B dash. So this is the front view of the line when it is assumed to be parallel to both the plane. Now try to draw the top view. इसका top view क्या होगा? It is 30 mm in front of the VP. So VP से 30 mm दूर पे है. This is the projection, and on rotating the plane, this line goes below the XY line. So below the XY line we have 30 mm. So this is 1, 2, 3. This, and here also. Okay. Now we will join these two lines. So this is our top view A and B. Now what we will do? It is given. Now the inclination part. So inclination is 30 degree to the HP. HP के साथ inclined है ऐसे 30 degree. और जो एक end है, this end is at a distance of 20 mm above it. 20 mm ऊपर है. So this is our 20 mm. Then this is the inclination. तो inclination कितना दिया है? This is equal to 30 degree. So now let us draw a 30 degree line here. This is 30 degree, and let us draw this 30 degree line. So 30 degree line बनाने के बाद what we will do next? this is 30 degree. Let us give the dimensions first. Here we have the dimensions. So this is your 30, this is given to be 20. Now again with A dash as center and B dash as AB dash as radius, we will draw an arc. So this arc will cut the 30 degree line at point B1 dash. So B1 dash जो है, that B1 dash is the final front view, और ये B1 dash final front view होने के बाद the top view that will be viewed here in this position वो क्या होगा, that top view will be the reduced view. तो reduced view को बनाने के लिए we will draw a line from B1 point that will intersect the previous top view at point B1. उसके बाद then we will join this AB1 line and A dash B1 dash. So A dash B1 dash will be our final front view and AB1 will be our final top view. Again here we will write TL, that is true length, is equal to 60. Clear? So today we have discussed about lines parallel to both the planes, then perpendicular to one plane and inclined to one plane. So in my next video we will start the traces of lines. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Do check out our other videos on the channel. If you have any query, you can write to us at the email address given in the description box. Do follow us on the Facebook page. Do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. Also click the bell icon to never miss an update from our channel.